Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use custom fonts with the ThemeGalaxy app. This is a disclaimer. This is currently only for Galaxy devices. I did have a friend who has a Google Pixel try to download this app and it told her it was not available for her device. So if you don't have a Galaxy, I can't say that this will actually work for you, so I'm sorry about that. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and we're going to do some pre-work. So we're going to go ahead into our My Files. And when we open this up, we're going to go to our internal storage. We're going to hit the three dots up here and hit Create Folder. And you're going to label it Fonts. Now I already have this folder. And as you can see, I have some fonts in there already. So we'll just use those as an example for what we're about to do here. So after you've created that folder, what you're going to do is, actually I'll go ahead and if you have the font you would like, if you can find many of them for free online, and or if you were previously an iPhone jailbreak user and you switched to iPhone, or you switched to Android, you will still be able to use your fonts as well. So, and I'll show you that as I'm going through the process. So what I'm going to go ahead is go into my fonts folder. I do have them separated, but I'm going to use the iPhone one. So I am just going to pick a random one because I don't remember what a lot of these look like. So we're going to go ahead and tap on it. Let it do its thing. If you've already previously opened up a font and you have to open it up again, usually once you've opened something once and then you reopen it, it does go a little bit quicker. But in the meantime, we'll let this open. Once it opens, you're going to unzip it. Remember guys, this is an iPhone font, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this and open it up. And the first one, you're going to just press and hold. You're going to hit the three buttons at the top right. You're going to hit move, and we're going to go into the internal storage, and we're going to go right into that folder that says fonts, and we're going to drop it in there. So what you're also going to do is you're going to press and hold, and you're going to hit the three buttons again and hit rename so that you know what is going on. This one was called Heartify, so we're just going to rename it that. Now once you've done that, if you haven't already, go into your Play Store and you are going to download ThemeGalaxy. Okay, this is what it'll look like. I have it installed already. Okay, I would suggest you can donate anywhere from 99 cents to I believe 13. All I did was donate 99 cents, and that was it. So everything is working just fine for me. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, you're gonna go ahead and exit out, because what's gonna happen is if you go back to your apps, you go to My Files, you will notice, let's back out of here, go to your internal storage, you will notice you actually have a new folder that says ThemeGalaxy, okay? And that's what we need. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll back up to your fonts, and that font you just put in there, we're going to press and hold. We're going to hit the three buttons to the top right, hit copy. We don't want to move it from there. You always want to have a copy in your fonts once. You have one main folder that you can always go back to and grab your fonts. So you're going to hit internal storage. You're going to scroll all the way down to ThemeGalaxy. Once you click on that, you're going to see it says fonts. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to hit custom. So you're going to hit custom, and you're going to hit done. And you're going to drop that font right in there, okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to open up ThemeGalaxy. I have an S9, so I do have it on my edge panel, because I don't know about y'all, but I do tend to use my edge panel a lot. So you're going to hit ThemeGalaxy app. You're going to open that up. Once it opens, you can utilize this to colorize the rest of your phone so that it matches a particular wallpaper or icons that you're using, but we are not going to worry about that today. What you're going to actually do is at the top left-hand corner, it says ThemeGalaxy. You're going to tap on that. You're going to scroll down to where it says Build Custom Font from TTF. You're going to click. Once you click, you're going to hit the very first option, Load from Font/Custom Folder. So once you hit on that, you're going to scroll and look for that one you just added, which is right there. You're going to go ahead and build and install. Alright, so once you've done that, that's pretty much it. You're going to restart your device, and then once you restart it, you're going to go into your settings, and you're going to go to your display, and you're going to go to your font and screen, and you're going to look for that font you just downloaded. So mine's not showing right now because I have to restart my phone. But that is how you would do it. Just remember to restart your device, and afterwards you will see that font there, I promise you.